Hello everyone, this is Harshita and I am an investment manager at Finage. Today I'll be talking about delay cost. Are you also planning to delay your SIPs to avoid market volatility? Of late, many potential investors have turned cautious. With equity markets remaining volatile in the short term, some new investors who may have earlier formed up plans to invest are now reconsidering their decisions. By delaying their investments, they think they can avoid short term loss even though they remain convinced about the long term prospects. When asked, they often argue a 6 or a 12 months delay in their systematic investment plan will not make any big difference, especially since they want to invest for a time horizon of 20 to 30 years. Will delays actually not make any difference? People tend to delay their investments each day to the following day with a mindset that it hardly makes any difference if the investment is delayed by 24 hours. But delayed investments could turn out to be expensive. Let us understand. Say a person Ram, who is currently 25 years, plans to retire at the age of 60. He chooses to start certain savings from his first salary itself and plans a systematic investment plan of 2000 every month for the next 35 years. Whereas Mr. Rohit, who is also 25, thinks that he'll start at the age of 30 and will save more than Ram, that is 2300 per month. At the end, both Ram and Rohit invested a total of 8,40,000 for their retirement. But at maturity, Ram collected corpus was 76 lakhs, whereas Rohit's total corpus was 53 lakhs. Wondering how did this happen? Well, the answer to this question is start early and gain more. It is very well evident that even if the total investments during the course of 35 years and 30 years remains the same, the returns generated vary significantly, with the first scenario outperforming the other. This is because money invested at the beginning gets ample time to grow and multiply, and the power of compounding which bear fruits when started early. So, start early, as starting to invest with the first salary is a very good idea irrespective of the amount invested. Small investments with ample of time has the potential to translate to huge sum of money over time. Investments should be treated like monthly bills. Like a milkman or a maid will not wait even for a single day with regards to their salary. Similarly, an investor should treat his or her investments as monthly bills and should invest without any delays every month. Using systematic investment plan makes life easier, as the amount gets auto debited from your bank account on a fixed date. Have patience. Patience is a virtue is a very well known proverb. An investor should always follow this and should wait for long term to see the benefits of his early investing. One of the biggest mistakes people tend to do these days is that they withdraw their investments midway thinking that they have already earned decent returns. But it is not the right approach, as the pace of returns in initial years is slow and returns start to compound gradually over time. Thus, an investor should wait for their investments to automatically achieve its goals. So, it is important to start early and start through a goal based financial planning. Thank you.